Guys, today we're going to make some music with a little help with a Mickey book. Mickey's Found Sounds. Alright, let's get started. So, this is what we're going to be doing today. And we have 2 pencils, 3 glass jars. We don't have wax paper, but it says to have some, but we will not need any. So this is how we'll do it. We already poured water, and then we just do some sounds like this. And then one's the highest, one's the lowest, and one's medium, like that, half. So we're gonna make some sounds. It's almost like a xylophone. Bye. I hope you subscribe for my next video. Bye.